In this lecture, we are going to work on getting product reviews. Previously, we have created and updated the review. Now, for whichever product we are having reviews, we are just going to work on getting that product reviews. So here below this, I will be creating one comment. I will give the comment as getting reviews. Here I will just change it to 9. Okay, later on we have to create another function. Copy this. Here I will be pasting and then I will be closing this function. I will change the function name. Here I will be writing get product review. And single product can have multiple reviews. So here I will be giving get product reviews. I will copy this function. I will come to product routes.js. Inside this, I'm just going to add the route. I have to get all the reviews. I will just copy. Here I will be writing reviews. I am getting, so I will be giving get request. And then inside this, I'm just going to pass this function. I do not have to verify whether user is logged in or not. Even if the user is not logged in, user can see all the reviews of the product. Remove last letter, hit enter, function will be imported. Now I will open Postman, copy this. Here I will be pasting, I will be giving reviews. Now directly inside the URL, I will not be passing the product ID. Instead, for this product 3, we are having the reviews. I will copy the ID. I will come here. Inside this parameter, I will give the key as ID and here I will be giving the value that is product ID. So here you can see after reviews, I am having question mark and after that I am having this complete product ID. Now this ID I have to access and how we can access? Let me come here. I will write log. Inside this request, we are having this query object. From this query, I'm just going to access this ID. And this ID should be exactly matching with the key what we have given. Now I will click on send. My request is being sent. Open terminal. Successfully, I am able to access this product ID. I will cancel. So using this request.query.id, we are able to access the ID of the product from query. Now I will remove this. Instead, I will be creating one variable. I will give the variable name as product is equal to await. I will be passing product. Here I will write find by ID. And inside this I will write request.query.id. Below this, I will check if there is no product with that ID. Here I will be writing return. Next, then I'm just going to create the instance. Inside this, I will be writing product not found. And then I will pass the status code as 400. And for this creating product review also, below this, if there is no product, then I'm just going to return this error. Now I will be closing. Below this, I will be sending the response status 200 JSON method. Inside this, I will be passing success to be true. Then I'm just going to create one property reviews. So what data I have to pass? From this product object, I'm just accessing this reviews array. So that entire data, if the product is found, from there I will access this reviews array and that I will be passing in the response. Now I will save. I have passed the ID. I will click on send. You can see successfully I am able to access 3 reviews for this product. Now I will come here, get all products, scroll down. I'm just going to copy this ID, copy. and here I will be pasting. Click on send. Now you can see for this product we are not having any reviews. So reviews is empty array. Now in place of 7, I will be passing 8. Click on send. I will have product not found. Why? Because that product we are not having. So that is the reason we will have this error. I will give the correct ID. Click on send. I will be having the result. Successfully, for individual product, we are able to access the reviews. Now I will click on save. Inside this product itself, here I will be writing get reviews. Here let me write get product reviews and then click on save.